Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to OPPO A15. Firstly, go into Play Store on both devices. After that, you need to click on the search bar and type Send Anywhere. Then tap on Install and wait. Now open this app, choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then we need to do the same on OPPO, so open, I accept, confirm, continue and allow. After that, choose Send on an Android and Receive on OPPO. Now tap on all of those dots and choose Send to send all of your files. Sorry, but it will take some time, so I will click on this one photo, choose Send and tap Got it. From here we have two ways to connect. We can input this password over here and choose Receive, or scan QR code by tapping on the scanning icon here, choosing Allow and pointing camera at the code. As you can see, my photo was successfully transferred, but you can always check it out for sure by going into, for example, File Manager and selecting, in my case, Photos. As you can see, Send Anywhere folder is here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!